O Dónal Óg, if you cross the ocean, oh, take me with you if you are going. At fair or market, you'll be well looked after, and you will sleep with the great king's daughter. Oh, you said you'd meet me, but you were lying beside the Sheelin as day was dying. I whistled and called you 12 times repeating, but all that I heard were the young lambs bleating. Oh, my mother ordered me to shun you today, tomorrow, and on Sunday. Too late and in vain, o'er spilt milk grieving, closing the door on a bygone feeling. If you come at all, come when the stars are peeping. Rap at the door that makes no squeaking. My mother will ask you to name your people, but I'll say you're the sound of the night winds weeping. Oh, the last time I saw you was a Sunday evening beside the altar as I was kneeling. 'Twas of Christ's passion that I was reading, but my thoughts were of you and my own heart's bleeding. For you took what's before me and what's behind me, took east and west and all around me. The sun, moon, and stars from me you've taken, and God himself, if I'm not mistaken.